Good morning, guys. I just came back from Starbucks, got my coffee, iced Americano, and now I'm gonna put on skincare, and then after this I have a live get ready with me with Zalora Malaysia, and then after that I have to quickly go to, I think today we're going to 2 malls and we're going to do another meet and greet with the face shop. So I have to put on skincare real quick so that when they come to my room when I do my live streaming, I have all my skincare on, and I just need to put on foundation and things like that. So I'm just gonna quickly put on skincare. I just put on a Yehwadam Revitalizing Toner. It's this one right here. And then now I'm just gonna apply Intensive Facial Soothing Solution from CNP Lab. This is one of my new discovery that I really like. Couple of drops. And then apply all over my face. Okay. Yay! Next, I'm going to apply moisturizer, and this is from Yehwadam from the face shop. I've been using this for 2 months. I think I ran out of my other moisturizer, and now I've been using this one ever since, and I really like it. I brought this to Shanghai with me for a beauty event, and I really like how light it is for summer, and it just makes my foundation sit really well, so I like that. And it also has really nice brightening properties as well, so I've been loving this. Done my morning skincare routine. I'm gonna get ready for Zalora, and I'll see you guys in a bit. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy. It was actually really nervous for me because I haven't done get ready live in a while. So I hope you guys find this helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. We're finally done with live streaming with Zalora Malaysia, and now I'm gonna go down and have lunch. Let's go! Finally guys, for lunch I'm having nasi lemak at Grandmama's. I'm having beef rendang as well, so yeah, can't wait to try it out. I haven't had nasi lemak in a while, so I'm super excited. I haven't started my job, and look who's waiting for me! Hi! Thank you guys so much for coming. Welcome to the face shop. Guys, I think I did it. Today is better than yesterday. So a lot of them came, so I'm so happy. Thank you so much, guys. So since you're my first customer, so this is from the face shop. Thank you. So thank you. Thank you. Senang, saya tuh tongsis. Thank you so much. Thank you for helping me with my challenge. Oh, what is that? Hi. Hi. So cute.
What's your name?
What's your name? Tell to the camera. What's your name?
What's your name?
Oh, shy. So cute.
You come here, mommy come here, be in the video, you know.
Do you want to say hi? Hi. Oh my god, guys. It's so cool. I really like the meet and greet here. Everyone came. My Malaysian subscriber, she brought her son for the meet and greet. Thank you so much.
It was really nice to meet you.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Say bye. Thank you for the writing on the mug.
Thank you for coming. Good luck with everything. Oh my gosh, thank you so much.
Okay, I'll see you.
Thank you for the macarong. I'll feature it later, guys. Later. One of my subscribers also came with her dad as well, so that was really fun. Okay guys, I'm finally back in my room. The meet and greet today was pretty crazy, and a lot of you guys came and you brought me so many gifts. So I'm gonna show you guys what you guys got me and also what I got at the shopping mall, because when I had a little break, I actually went to a couple of shops and I bought a bunch of stuff. So let me start with the stuff that you guys got me. Okay, let's start with dessert. Some of you came and brought me all these really nice cakes. Oh my god, I gotta put it in the fridge. So this one is from Nadeje. I don't know how to pronounce this one, but I'm gonna put it in the fridge. Yeah, so some of you guys came and brought me cakes. I just put it in the fridge, so I'll try to eat it later. And then some of you guys came and got me bubble tea and macaron. Oh my gosh. Oh, thank you so much. Special gift just for you. Oh my god. So she was... Oh, wait. Okay. This one is... Oh, Shaylee and son. One of my subscribers, her name is Shaylee. She came with her son. Her son is so cute, you guys. He's so small and he was really shy as well. So Shaylee came and she was like, oh, I really like your videos. I love Kim as well. And then she's like, wait, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna get you something and I'll be back. I think almost an hour later, she came with macaron. Oh my god. She knows I love macaron so much because I always like post like, you know, hunting for really good macaron in Korea, Gangnam, Hongdae and everything. And she also got koi. She got me koi bubble tea. This one is I think this one is their normal milk tea. Thank you so much. I really love koi and I really like macaron, so I'll be munching them tonight. So thank you so much, Shaylee, if you're watching this. And one of my subscribers, her name is Felicia Taman. She's from Balikpapan, Indonesia, and she wrote me a beautiful letter. I'm not gonna read it out loud, but yeah, I read it just now in the car and I was really touched. Thank you so much, Felicia, if you're watching this. This morning, before I left for my meet and greet, I'm staying at DoubleTree Hilton, and on the ground floor, they're having like a little like stalls where they sell like a bunch of different things. And I came across this brand, Media Treasures, and it looks like this. But Media Treasures is really, it's very bohemian, local Malaysian earrings and jewelry brand. And I've been really into earrings, as you guys noticed from my previous video in my favorites, and I've been really loving like chunky earrings, big earrings and things like that. I came across two of her earrings that I really like. Let me show you guys. So pretty. This one is one of my favorite because it has this frills on the bottom. Oh no, please focus. It has like really cute frills on the bottom, and I really like the detail of the stone here. And I feel like this one would go really well with white top and just jeans. And when you feel like you want to have something that pops, I feel like this will be really perfect for that. This one is really pretty. I feel like I've never seen anything like this before, and it looks like that. And that's so pretty! Guys, I cannot. This is really pretty. And this one also would look really pretty with simple t-shirt and jeans, and you want some pop of color, you just wear this on your ears and it looks really pretty. And then the highlight of my purchase from Media is this! Oh, it's so pretty! Look at this! This is really beautiful, and she told me it took her 6 hours to make this, and it was her last piece. I think she has a store in Sydney and also in Malaysia. She's opening one in Malaysia real soon, so definitely check it out. And she also do worldwide shipping. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. And then I stopped by at Chanel because I wanted to try out their new, I think this one is their new, what is it? Healthy Glow Gel Touch Foundation. I owned this before, but apparently reformulated this and they claim to have more coverage, so I just wanted to get the refill. Now they're selling refills at Chanel counters, so if you guys are interested, definitely check it out. I just got it because I already have the previous one and they still look the same anyway, so I just bought the refill. And then I also went to Bath and Body Works because you guys know I love me some candles. So I think I got 3 candles so far. The first one that I got is called Cypress. This one right here. This one smells really herby and it has a little bit of, I don't know, has a little bit of like that leaf kind of scent, but kind of warm. So I really wanted something like this for fall. And then I mainly got this because it says luck. I'm so weird, I know guys. And this one smells like, I don't know how to describe this, oh my god. I don't know guys, I'm really bad with explaining scent. This one is more like sweeter and more like fresh scent. I mainly got it because it says luck. And then the last one that I got from Bath and Body Works. This one is White Opal. It's from their White Barn collection. This one is very floral but still warm. So if you guys like something not too floral but you want something in the middle, kind of like vanilla-y but really like floral, you guys would like this. And then I went to this store, I think it's called Monkey. I've never heard this brand, we don't have it in Korea. I went in here with Sasa from the Face Shop. We both got something from Monkey. And I actually got this. I really like the color combination and it's a dress. It's a mini dress and I really like it. I feel like I can wear this with white cardigan and it's very fresh. So I got it and it was, I think this one is 46 ringgit. So I think it's about like $10. So yeah, I got this. This one is the last gift that I got from one of my subscribers. Oh wait, so one of my subscriber, Hillary, she came back and she actually came for my meet and greet and then she left. And then she came back and she gave me this. She said she wanted to, yeah, she said she wrote this for me and she just wanted to give this to me. So yeah, thank you so much Hillary if you're watching this. Oh, leave a little sparkle wherever you go. Thank you so much Hillary. You're really, thank you so much Hillary. You're really sweet. I love all the cards that you guys wrote for me. I always keep them in my drawer and I always collect them. And whenever I have a bad day, I always go back and read it and it's so meaningful and they're really warm and they're very supportive. So thank you. I love it so much. One of you guys gave me this as well. And then this one right here is from Claire. One of my subscribers, Suzanne, she gave me a body scrub. One is rose hip and one is lavender. I love lavender so much, so she knows. And she told me I can use it as a body scrub, so just use it bit by bit. And also this one is homegrown local brand in Malaysia, so I can't wait to try this one out. Thank you so much Suzanne if you're watching this. This is such a thoughtful gift and I really like body care products, especially receiving it as a gift. So yeah, thank you. I felt so loved. Thank you so much guys. You guys are amazing. Every time I get to meet you guys in person, I feel like I want to go back home and work harder and make more fun and more like helpful videos for you guys. So thank you so much if you guys are watching this. I love you all. Yeah, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna wash up now and sleep so that I can continue for the vlog tomorrow. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click like, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye!